holiday seasons are coming and you want to decorate and set up and get a nice close-up look at what we're going to show you. And it's a very interesting product indeed, a little early, but here we are with instructions, and we're going to just simply find a place, tie it down, and blow it up. We get a bag of goodies. It has stakes and rope. This is a 110 to 12 volt power supply to a fan, and we're going to unwrap Santa. We have a loop, and we're going to tie Santa down over here so he don't blow away. Let's see how quickly Santa blows up. Very quiet. Santa has a light, 3 areas. For the first time when Santa blows up, it's going to take a little time because the material is pressed into a box real nice and tight. So we're helping him out just a little bit. There's a loop over here to tie him down, as well as loops in the back as well. Santa stands about 5 feet tall. He's blown up. And there you have a nice close-up look at him. At nighttime, he's going to light up in white. Disassembling Santa, simply cut the power and he'll float down in a matter of a minute. Please remember to close the zipper where the air cannot seep out, and that is the fan that blows in and shows you how powerful these fans are. When you fully zip it, and we'll give a demonstration at night how Santa looks. What we're going to do, we're going to fold them up and show you how easy it is to put them away. Fits nicely back in the box and ready to be used next time over.